It is not easy. You are simply simplified. I want to thank you for having faith in our governor. I want to thank you for trusting our governor. I want to thank you for having faith in our party, the PDP. Nelson Mandela said there is no easy walk to freedom anywhere. But because you have achieved this freedom, I will assure you that Omoma's money will no longer be shared as stadium roads. That era is gone. I want to assure you that Omoma's money will be used for projects in Omoma here. And not to buy G-Wagon for a single man. Buy Land Cruiser for a single man. Normally by our practice, so they are our members. They simply went on a fishing expedition. And because they have chosen to come back, we are welcome them in Jesus' name. We will accord you all the rights and privileges as our old member. We don't treat anybody as a new member. You are now in PDP. Welcome to your party.
Amuma cheka. Amuma cheka. Cheka. My very dear people of Omuma local government area, we have joined you today in appreciation of the goodness of God, taking us through the entire processes that ended with the victory at the Supreme Court. As a people who love God, we also know that those who love God also love peace. Today, you are aware that due to our collective efforts, as led by His Excellency the Governor of Rivers State, he is being honored as the Silverbird Man of Peace for the year 2023. If it were yesterday, probably it would have been different. We would have jettisoned whatever it is. But he has made that commitment and is working through that there is no sacrifice that is too great to be made for peace. Having made these sacrifices, we have also come and we have listened through. We have heard you speak about poverty. We want to assure you that in overcoming poverty, you need to be strategic. You need to be deliberate. Foundations have to be laid. And it is that foundation that His Excellency has laid beginning from December. The foundations of a just wage. The foundation of justice for he who has served. And that is why he has entrenched the fact that as long as you qualify to be promoted, that you have to be promoted. It is the entrenchment of justice that has also led to the declaration of the commencement of payment of 30,000 as minimum wage to workers in our local government service system. That is a foundation that has been laid to overcome poverty. I have been asked to assure us that this administration shall be accountable. This government shall be equitable. This government shall answer to the yearnings of our people, delivering dividends of democracy, laying the foundations that will guarantee equitable growth for all. And that is why, in the coming weeks, we have been assured that every obstacle, everything that has been slowing down the completion of that major road from Umakali to Eberi will be taken off, and that project will be completed. It is an assurance that you can take home. He will also embark on several other road projects in your local government area. You will not be abandoned again. If I look to my right as one who told them in church, I told all of us in church that I had seen about 10 of my mates while I was in the university. I think then it was UST. Now it is called River State University. In our days, it was River State University of Science and Technology. Having identified 10 people who are from Omuma, who are my mates, beginning from the head of service, George Wike, he was my mate in the university. There is Anucha, he was my mate. There is a chief, I can't remember that name again, a traditional ruler who was in church. We are all colleagues in the university. But if I look to the right, I see that the building here may have been built by the colonial masters. It is built of bricks. And I went behind. Some people saw me when I was going back. I went behind, and what I have seen, I won't say anything about it. I can only take the message back to His Excellency. And I assure you, as a man who guarantees justice, as a man who wants to entrench equity, something will be done. Because we cannot continue to have our children who will compete globally learn in an environment like this. This decay did not start today. It did not start as soon as His Excellency became governor. It means that it had started long before now. But be rest assured that this and several other inequities shall be corrected. Keep faith. Keep what? Keep faith. In the coming days, the governor will visit you in person. What did I say? The governor will visit you in. I speak authoritatively because I heard from him. He told me to let us know that in the coming days, preparatory to the first year in office, he will get to see you, and then he will make definite pronouncements about what you will have and what you will do what expect. I raised it at this point. I say thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. May God bless all of us. Amen.
We hear there's no effort they did not make to ensure that this arena is empty. You know what happened? They not do am to ensure so people no come out. They not do am. Now people no come out. They will hear, they carry motor, they carry people to Port Harcourt. Carry motor, they go, many people go Port Harcourt so that people will not attend this Thanksgiving. No be so? Now they not fail. They not fail. Fail. And they don't fail today, that's how they're going to fail. In Jesus' name. We die, we are. Our mama used to be before now. Are you hearing me? We are where our mama used to be. By God's grace today, our mama has been liberated. No be so? You are leaders, not only one. We have leaders. You have Wusho Okafor, which is the commissioner. You have Wusho 1-4. I know be Igbo now, take him. I know be Igbo man, take him. You know the person they call, no be him. Take him now, me I be Okreka man, take him. We have Wike George. We have Wike Anucha. The victory is not for governor alone, it's for Rivers people, including you. That's why we are here to say, God, thank you for making our vote to count. Thank you. And don't remind me. But I'm not to say it, you say it. Because that peaceful man, he said that project from Umuakale to Eberi, he said he will complete it. He said that project, nothing will stop it. In fact, governor representative will tell you more. This one, I just a tip small, they tell her now. He go tell her more about the project. I think Thanksgiving will come. If inside church, we don't look around, no, this church, we must do something. Governor don't also do something there. Inside and bishop is very happy. And they are aware, December, governor give 100,000 to all the civil servants. One eye stick from my back into Intekam. See, Intekam. It don't happen before. It don't happen before. He no stop there. He say, may they promote everybody to where they're supposed to be. It don't happen. He no stop there. It's a local government staff. On our way there, this is local government. May they give them 35,000 minimum wage. I know Yaram. I know Yaram. He no stop there. He say they must be promoted and pay all arrears. I know Yaram. If the chairman no pay, man, tell us. I don't give my number to some people. If chairman no pay arrears, he no pay, he no promote them, he no conduct interview, man, tell us. We must compel them to promote. He's a man, I tell her now, man, no fear. Tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your mama, tell your papa, this is the train. As the train they go, if you don't enter them, it don't pass. Without reach Aba. It don't pass. I think after Yaraba. If you don't enter the train, you don't go. If you don't enter a moving train, need to stop. In that train, they move. The train name now simplified movement. The train name now simplified. Now the train will carry all of us to 2027. Let me stop there. But before I hand over the mic to governor to speak, Omama, on a try. On a try. If I not give her first, who I will give? If I not give her first, who I will give? Nobody. Nobody worries, nobody worries, nobody nobody worries, nobody. How many why we don't go with them? How many why we don't go with them? Why we don't go with them? How many why we don't go with them? Why we don't go with them? How many why we don't go? Why we don't go with them? How many Simplify movement. Amumachika, our leaders, the Right Honorable Evans Babakaye BP. Other protocols duly observed. Namumachika. Well, we are told that we will not come to this program today. First of all, I want to commend the hard-working Commissioner for Energy, who has shown that he has capacity, and that Omuma does not belong to one man. The man, a young person like us, so, and they hear me, and a propaganda can reach you in day. All of us know ourselves. The son will come here, me as I will come here. The after I was the plan, I will appoint the chief of staff, pay 30,000 and don't pass. And they hear me, and a chairman, now woman rapper. He go carry fire, go somewhere, they will pay 20,000. But I see. The governor will again, no be that kind of governor where they hear gossip. Are you hear me? Yes, sir. No be governor will come and they play football, given 100,000. Our governor get conscience. And you hear me? Yes, sir. Our governor get conscience. No be wayo man. After I brought a wayo man, me I don't fear anybody. we know ourselves. And they hear me? So our youth, men are control to the prayer for our governor. You know, they easy. Today, Omuma don't they liberated. Today, Omuma don't come out from a bottle. One man go call and send text message. Oga say, that one dumb. That one dumb. Men I support the commissioner because I'm a young person. Now young people there for power. And they hear me? After they come here, I don't see an account, so they don't even nothing that happen there. Every day they paint them. And I'm money there for Stadium Road. By June 18th, all this thing go end. And they hear me? Both to buy people back here for Stadium, all this thing go end. Men I don't fear. Now be three people get to Muma. Election, now these people were here. So make a little fear. Nobody go buy street again for Stadium Road. 18th of June. That matter done. So go home. Pray for our governor. Nothing will happen. No fear anybody. Thank you and God bless you.
No sim. Simplify ladies. Simplify movements. Well, we are here in Omuma as women, as mothers, as sisters, as friends, as daughters of the state. We are very much proud that today we have a governor that calls us sisters. We have a governor that recognizes mothers. We have a governor that recognizes wives. We are in a local government where a local government chairman is seen as a PA. We are in a local government where when women are being seen, women will be nominated for a position, but they are never used. We are in a local government where we are saying, thank God for the freedom of what? One man will collect all their location and apportion peanut to people. As mothers, that man, maybe mama will born am. People were there before that person become anything. Or not even senior for age. And today no one make anybody grow. We go agree. Today we are saying freedom is coming to Omuma. One kind song will meet me for Bele say today freedom don't come to Omuma. Women, we know say now we get the voting strength. When they won't use us, they call you. Come collect 1,000. But governor don't come. They say women too. We don't stand for stage before like this. It never happened. They go only nominate women as political strategy. Women come become vice, they're not going to use it till you die. But today, our governor, they tutorial us for Bele. Our governor say mama suppose shop. Our governor say our sister suppose shine. Our governor say today in Omuma, women not gonna no gree for anybody. And if you see the men where they follow this our governor, now people will know say women will suppose pamper them. Then they do us well, oh. Omuma don't free today. Women can be chairman. Women can be vice chairman. Women can be everything. Today we are free. Are we not free?
Thank you.
Great women of Omuma! Great women of Omuma! Simplify movement!
The leadership of Simplify Movement in Rivers State, heavily led by Right Honorable Vance PP and the members of House of Reps. They are the real members of House of Reps. Every other entourage who is here, I cannot name them individually. Omuma is a local government that supported every governor right from the creation in 2006. It's made up of 6 geopolitical zones: Ofe, Oyumo, Eberi, Obiahia, Omachiloke, Omawa. And all these years, we have given all the governors support. All the things you saw in those stadiums, we are the people who made them possible. But as a matter of fact, no signs of government presence in this LGA. What we have seen the past years has been pains and nothing but pains and agony. That's why our people are yearning for good democracy. They are yearning for the governor to come to our aid, to please recognize Omuma people because we have suffered. This is the only local government where the biggest car is Honorable Camry. Camry is the biggest car in this LGA because of some persons. I don't want to call names. So please, I want to beg you, convey this message to the governor that we are solidly behind him. Anything they are doing in Abuja ends in Abuja. The power of every politician is the grassroots. And I must tell you that we have the grassroots.
That's why the 5 buses they brought in various wards, they rolled back empty because there was nobody. We said we are tired of saying our vote for peanut. So Your Excellency, we are going to support you wherever you go, anything you do. The leadership of Uche Mazima's is unshakable. The Commissioner for Energy is our leader, and we are going to follow him to the end of the tunnel. So go and tell them that Amuma people are working with him. I am not going to welcome anybody because you're already welcome. We are pained. We are not happy. We are not happy at all. So convey our pains and our agonies back to the president, to the governor. Whatever they are doing there is their business. We have come to work with him and we work with him. As a matter of fact, before now we are used to working with that money. So we're going to do it. Whether they give us, they don't give us. Poverty don't already master us. So, Amuma people, Yaman could learn in the crowd. Amuma people, they are not chicken.
No network.
No SIM.
No network.
I'm filled with joy seeing my people turn out in this mass. Let me start by thanking Amuma people for showing Governor Sim this love. Even with all the buses, all the applause, work. Like the leader said, the buses went back empty. So, Amuma no kanka. No kanka. I won't be speaking much. My former authentic speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Evans BP, I welcome you. Our dear governor's representative, Right Honorable Abiante, I welcome you. We have already established a protocol here, so may I be permitted to lean on it so we can save time. Well, I'm not a man of so much words. For me, I believe action speaks volume, or is more than words. So, our interride from Port Harcourt, Rivers State, you have come, you have seen Amuma. They were saying this program will not hold, that if this program will never hold over their dead body. I said, okay now. How many then day where we no go with them? We no go with them. How many then day where we no go with them? How many then day where we no go with them? How many then day where we no go with them? How many then day where we no go with them? How many then day where we no go with them? How many then day? Day your day. That song get as they do me. I said day your day. Nobody worry, nobody. Nobody worry, nobody. Day your day. Nobody worry, nobody. Nobody worry, nobody. Day your day. Nobody worries, nobody. Your Excellency, you have come, you have seen. Take our message back to His Excellency and tell him that Amuma people are solidly behind him any day, anytime. This one is just his testing of the microphone. They say na 2027, we don't wait them. That time, na 10 of these they go see. More than no worry on herself. Amuma is fully intact for same.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.